Hello YouTube and welcome to Fix It Samo channel. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to change your iPhone 5 screen, including the home switch button and your front cam. So bear with me, I'm gonna show you the steps. As you see guys, my screen is so badly cracked that I'm gonna have to put a piece of transparent tape, so once I pull the screen out I won't have any small glass particles all over the place and it might injure my fingers. And the next step is make sure you turn off your phone. And now we're gonna look for the two screws over here and we're gonna start by removing them. And now we're gonna use our suction cup and we're gonna pull. As you see, when it cracks like this, now we're gonna be using, just hold with your fingers so it doesn't come out again. And now we're gonna start going around the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna try to show you. So that's how we should do it. We're gonna pull slowly and make sure to slide that one like this and over here. And now the screen is almost free, but make sure not to pull everything all the way yet, because as you see the cables are still connected here. And we have over here another 3 small screws we're gonna have to remove. Okay guys, now we're gonna remove the 3 screws that are over here. Okay guys, after removing the 3 screws, it's time to remove the cover. And now, as you see over here, we've got 3 connections. This one is for the front cam and these 2 are for the screen. I'm trying to show you at the same time. And now I'm gonna remove the front cam connection. As you see, that one. Then I'm gonna remove the other part. Make sure when you put this tool not to push on the connection over here on the phone. So just take the corner and pull up. So there you go, we removed the second one and we still have one in the bottom. I'm gonna try to show you while I remove it. There you go. So now the screen is out. So now it's not finished yet. So I'm gonna zoom back. Now what we need to do is to transfer the mic and to transfer the plate over here, and even the power switch. As you see, it's over here. We have to switch them and put them on our new screen. That one here. Okay guys, so now it's time to remove the sensor plus the speaker and the plate and the bottom switch over here. So we're gonna start by removing all the screws around here to be able to remove the plate. Make sure when you remove the screws to put them right by the order and the size, because some of them they are bigger than the others. Okay, so now we still have that one here and this one. So now we can remove that metal plate. As you see now, what's left to do is to remove the speaker. There's another screw over here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna remove the final screw to be able to remove the sensor plus the speaker. Now I'm gonna show you, we're gonna remove plugs over here. There you go. And that's it. Now what we have left is this part over here. Okay guys, now we're gonna be removing the switch, the bottom switch. There you go, and that's the end of my old screen. Now we're gonna put back everything to the new screen. Okay guys, before we put the switch on the bottom, I've received also that tape over here that it's double-sided, and I've put it right here on this side. Now all what's left to do is to put our rubber in its place, and then we're gonna secure it at the same time. This double-sided tape helps to install and securely these two small connections over here. So now before we push it in its place, we have to put the two small screws. And now, before I secure the second screw, I have to make sure that it's placed securely in its place. There you go. Now I can secure the second one. So that's exactly how it's supposed to be. Okay guys, so now it's time to install our cam. As you see, this pin over here, it has to go inside this rubber circle like this. Oops. There you go. And now what we need to do is we're gonna place it in its place. And now we're gonna install the other part, this one. We're gonna put it in its place like this. And now we're gonna put our cover. And once we tighten a bit the screw over here, it's time to install our cover. There you go. And now we're gonna put our screws. And all what's left to do is to put back all the screws on the sides and that one here. There you go. Our screen is ready to be installed. Okay guys, so now it's time to install our screen. So we're gonna put our phone in its position, and we're gonna start with the first connection. There you go, the first one was installed. Now we're gonna do for the second. There you go. And we still have the third. There you go. Just make sure that everything in its place. Give it a small push. Okay guys, now that we secured all the wires, all what's left to do is to put the cover in its place. As I mentioned before, these two screws, they're slightly smaller than the one over here. So make sure you don't mix them up, or else you won't be able to close the cover properly. Okay guys, it's all done now. All what's left to do is to close the cover properly, and by doing this you're gonna have to apply equal pressure on both sides at the same time. There you go. And as you see guys, now everything in its place. All what's left to do is to put these two screws to secure the screen, and the job is complete. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under Fix It Sound with One Word, and we will see you next time.